Hello students, how are you? Now we have completed our lesson number 10, Birbal Visits Heaven, reading and explanation of that lesson. Now today I give you the exercise questions and answers of this lesson. Now the first is read and learn. You have to read these words and learn it. The first word is bring about, catch on, get on, in return for, hit upon, and slip through. So you have to read all these words and learn them. Now go to the word power, question number 2 and A part. Fill in the blanks with the words given. Means you have to use these helping words to fill up the blanks. The first blank is, there was a wind blowing, so the fire dashed fast and a large number of huts were burnt down. So in the first blank, there was a wind blowing, so the fire caught on. Caught on. Now second, Cinderella was a poor girl. A prince married her. Her sisters, who was wicked, became jealous of her and tried to harm her. Third one, when his enemies attacked the palace, the king escaped through secret passage. Fourth, Mrs. Prasad's diamond ring was missing. The police came. The dash Mrs. Prasad made servant, but Mrs. Prasad said them, I don't have any dash about my maid servant. She was very honest person. Here the word is suspected, and in this blank, suspicion. Fifth, do you know the difference between a star and a planet? B. Yes, I do. A star has a twinkle. A planet hasn't. Sixth, in the story you read in lesson 1, Qasim outwit Ali in the end. Seventh, the Buddha met a robber chief in the forest. By his love and words advice, he brought about a change in the robber chief, and the robber became a good man. In the forest of Kerala, elephants are used for lifting and pulling up heavy logs of wood. So students, here we complete the fill in the blanks with the help of given words. The second is match the columns. Here column A, there is a words, and in column B the meaning of that word. So we have to match it. Now jealous means envious. Pile, a large amount of things. Straight, not curved. Secret, not to be told to anyone. And burial, ceremony to be performed after death. So here students, there is match the pair. So you have to write it in your notebook. From comprehension, next question is mark true or false according to information provided in this lesson. Means we have to read this lesson and the story I have already explained you. So with the help of story, we have to find which statement is correct or incorrect. First one is, Akbar was a minister at the court of Birbal. क्या अकबर जो थे वो बीरबल के कोर्ट में मिनिस्टर थे? So this one is wrong. Birbal was a minister at the court of Akbar. Second, the other courtiers were always making plans to bring about Akbar's downfall. कि बाकी की जो कोर्टियर्स थे वो हमेशा अकबर को गिराने के लिए प्लानिंग करते थे. False, because they are planning for the Birbal's downfall. Third, the barber's friend was ready to send a message to heaven. बार्बर का फ्रेंड रेडी हो चुका था मैसेज भेजने के लिए. Yes. The barber bribed the courtiers to cooperate with him. बार्बर ने courtiers को ब्राइब किया था, रिश्वत दी थी. No, courtiers bribed the barber. So this one is false. बीरबल was greatly disturbed in mind. बीरबल जो थे वो बहुत ज्यादा परेशान हो गए थे. True. So students, here we complete our fill in the blanks, match the pair and true and false. So you have to write all these questions in your fair notebook.